Hello my dear students, have you ever wondered how the same organism can look or behave differently in different environments? Is it magic or science? Welcome back to Biology at Fujit. Today we are going to explore an amazing concept in evolutionary biology, that is phenotypic plasticity. So let's dive in. So what is phenotypic plasticity? Phenotypic plasticity is the ability of a single genotype to produce different phenotypes in response to different environmental conditions. In simple terms, one organism, different environments and different traits. So key idea to remember: same genotype, different environment and different phenotypes. So there are four types of phenotypic plasticity. Let's break it down into types. Morphological plasticity, that is the first one. This involves change in structure or morphology or form. Example, leaves of the same plant may differ in shape when grown in sunlight versus shade. Physiological plasticity, changes occur in internal body functions. Examples include animals adjusting their metabolic rate or temperature tolerance. Behavioral plasticity, that is the number 3, changes in behavior depending on environmental conditions. Example include migration in birds or changes in feeding habits. Developmental plasticity, number 4, environment influences development during growth. Example, in honeybees, nutrition determines whether an individual becomes a queen or a worker. Now the big question, how does this phenotypic plasticity happen? So mechanisms of phenotypic plasticity include gene expression changes. The environment can switch genes on or off. Hormonal regulation, hormones respond to environmental signals and control development. Epigenetic modification, changes like DNA methylation alter gene activity without changing the DNA sequence, that is epigenetic modification. And number 4 is signal transduction pathways. Environmental signals trigger cellular responses leading to phenotypic changes. So why is phenotypic plasticity important? It helps organisms adapt to changing environment by changing their phenotypic characteristics. They increases survival chances, they reduces the need for genetic mutations, and they help cope with stress like temperature changes or food shortage. So what is the evolutionary importance? It provides raw material for natural selection. It provides flexible organisms are more likely to survive. Over time, these traits may become genetically fixed. Evolutionary perspective: from an evolutionary point of view, phenotypic plasticity is highly advantageous. Organisms that can adjust quickly to their environment have a better chance of survival and reproduction. And sometimes these flexible responses may even become permanent through evolution. So now, as a conclusion, we can say that the phenotypic plasticity allows organisms to modify their traits according to environmental conditions, enhancing survival and evolutionary success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next class. Thank you.